Somehow I never crossed your mind. Suddenly, I'm 2 chapters in on a flight into Malibu. And now I'm worth your fire. Every time I run through your mind, you hold the chase the feeling. Guess I shouldn't be so surprised. Where you left was so revealing. Thought we had a good time.
A form of banga rice because I don't have banga. I am going to be making it with palm oil. Okay, so this is the fish that I'm going to be working with. So I'm going to be working with one dry fish, and this one here is paprika. It's paprika. Okay, I'll be making use of this paprika. Okay, I dry it myself. Okay, I dry it. I'm going to also be using it. Onions. I'll be adding a bit of tomatoes liquid. Okay, so I have parboiled my rice already. So this is the rice that I'm going to be working with. All right, let's dive into this video. Okay, I don't want to waste your time. I'm going to be adding hot water into this fish. I want it to get soaked. Okay, so that's my pot. I don't think children will eat this because I want to add a lot of pepper to it. So this is onion. So we leave it to cook. You know? Jennifer the chef. So close it. Fish. So this is the dry fish that I just showed you guys. So this is the scorpion fish. So I'm going to be adding them to it. Okay. So it's time to add in our Maggi cube. This one, so this is how I cook mine. Okay. It's time to add in water. I'm going to be adding 1 tablespoon of jumbo spice. In case you haven't tried this type of rice before, try it. Hey guys, this is it. Are you seeing it? Our oil rice is ready. These are the 2 packages that I'm going to be unboxing today. Okay. I just saw this, so it's Vodafone. I've opened it. Leave it, I've opened it. Are you seeing it? It's so small. Are you seeing it? The internet box is very small, so you just hang it on top of your table. Are you seeing it? This is for the whole house, you know, but it's for only me and my family, you know. Let's unbox this too, okay? But I know say before I pack to this place, I know say I order one small chair for my daughter, you know, for my children. Maybe when I want to lose their hair or something like that, or just use the chair to sit down, you know. Fast forward. So this is it. The way they package and the seller, they really tried. It's because Efosa is sleeping. If not, Efosa will be the first person to disvirgin this. This chair, are you seeing the cute chair? It's so cute when you want to lose your child or maybe plating or any other thing, you know. So this is very cute. It's very beautiful for children to use to make their hair or any other thing, you know. You see, when you want to make their hair or lose their hair, you can also still sit down. You can sit down between their hair. So that's why I buy this chair. That's why I order this chair. Are you seeing it? So thank you for watching. See you guys in my next video.